Hey everybody, Dr. Todd Martin here, creator of The Walking Code. I'm excited to announce the October 1st release of my new Walking Code online course. This is the first new course release since 2015, building on the last 8 years of providing free content on YouTube, during which time I've been listening to your needs and your comments to help craft the most informative way to help you walk more fluidly, walk with more confidence, and walk with lower impact on your joints. If you have chronic or repeated muscle, joint, or tendon issues that are not caused by a specific injury, then it may be that you're suffering from a functional problem. It may be as simple as incorrect posture or walking technique, increasing the stress on your joints and keeping your spine out of alignment. If you find yourself frequenting the chiropractor to get your spine back into alignment, or you're using a lot of acupuncture or massage to help reduce muscular pain, then this course is a must for you. Many people have also said that my instruction has helped them relearn to walk after an injury or a stroke or another medical issue. If you have any experience visiting the physical therapist or chiropractor, you're probably familiar with the common paradigm of fixing musculoskeletal issues that involves focusing on strengthening or stretching imbalanced muscles. But there is no focus on fixing the technique of how we move. Just like dancing, walking has a technique that involves repeated patterns of movement from the core. And just like with dancing, it would be very difficult to fix these patterns by focusing on strengthening or stretching particular muscles. We have to learn the proper patterns of movement that will help us to go through the motions of everyday life with proper alignment, fluidity, and reduced impact. And just like with dancing, these patterns can be learned or relearned. Some people adopt dysfunctional movement patterns from the very get-go when they learn how to walk as children. Other people suffer a medical illness or an injury and then have to relearn these patterns, and most people never learn them consciously to begin with. In the Walking Code, I help you consciously understand the patterns of core movement that will help you walk properly on level ground, walk up and down hills, walk up and down stairs, and perform many other different movements with proper alignment and fluidity. Developing this conscious understanding of your core can change your life. Once you internalize these patterns of core movement, you will own them forever and be able to utilize them during any activity that you're doing, whether it's just walking down the street or whether it's learning a new dance or a new athletic endeavor that you're trying to get into. Learning how to move your core and connecting your mind to that core movement will change your life forever. There's a great deal on the course for those of you who pre-register before the October 1st launch date. Just come to my website, which will be linked above and in the description section for more details. I hope to see you there.